Hello? I hear noise from there. I gotta go. There's a dog. Hey, we did it.
And there was a puppy inside. Gotta oscillate.
This fan. The current situation.
Oh my god, oh my god. This operation.
Ben. But that's a cheat. Having me recut a memory foam on top.
Hey.
And it's a queen bed.
She a queen.
But now this is. Do you think it's harder?
Where's that hole at?
Oh, you can. Wow, when you have a purpose, you're smart.
Hey.
Oh my god.
Okay. You a hole, you broken. You have a purpose.
You got a purpose, girl. Justin Bieber believed in you. He made an album.
Oh, she girl.
She's
Slaps down, slaps down.
also, I need a screwdriver, which what's wrong?
Were you about to yell your own name?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm in this U-Haul. Okay. Drive. This crisis happening. He thought he had the tools, but
No tool.
they've been misplaced. What did it look like?
It's literally just a Ziploc that has like the L
Oh no.
lock. So like, well, that was real.
Okay, if I was a Josh and I had a Ziploc, where would I?
The alien is like,
It's so cute. I love him. He's a star. Oh, that's cool. His dad made this and he signed it. And they did.
what does it say? O2?
Yeah. And it's like so unique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All links about objects that we've talked about in this video will be in the description below. Thank you for subscribing, and if you subscribe, I'll give you a high five. Through the screen.
Through the screen.
For subscribers only. Got it? Yeah. This dent. Oh my god!
What?
3DS stylus. Drawers, so we must carry them out.
I'm carrying this. There's no top.
You know, he'll figure it out. Are you still recording? You are. Hello. Justin doesn't know of this clip, but maybe she does, but hello! We're packing and I'm out of focus. There we go. Yeah. I don't know what this is gonna be used for, but she doesn't know about
Get to work.
You got more though.
I know, I'm just not doing it
Yeah,
because I
so
hate it.
get to work.
But what if we just stood here and filmed this? Because, like, look at this lighting.
I know, that's
It look really good.
okay, I'm done. That's all my shoes.
Exposed.
Wait, I'm pretty sure there's more shoes in this too.
Oh my god.
Yes. But these don't fit. It's size 9. So if you know you like them. My Depop is OG_Joshica. Come buy my clothes. That's a lie. I don't have one.
Selling.
So you can follow me on Instagram. Maybe I can sell you 2 through there. _Joshica is live.
Yeah.
I just farted. I thought you were gonna edit it out.
Nope.
Nah. Imagine. Look at my project.
The sun.
My color scheme. So, you know, first it's my inspiration. I was really inspired from all these like European style and like London Fashion Week with all these warm, fuzzy, furry coats. Like, why wouldn't you want to be minimal chic? You know? Look at that. Thank you. So as you can see, the color scheme is very neutral with a pop of blue because, you know, we're a little sad.
Even though this is pink and this is orange.
Just pink. That's somewhat orange in my head. I'm the designer. I call it. But you know, we have different textures like denim.
Pause. I just set the box like by the door and they just picked it up and set it. Like, I love it. And they're free.
I hope you feed them.
I know.
They require clean protein and whey something.
Isolate.
Sure. You know, I don't know if their diet is in my budget or if they can even eat outside of the house.
Did you go to Freshies?
I don't know what that is.
Just get a fruit tray.
Dessert. Alright. Well,
I never driven something this big before. Did they shut it?
I'd assume so.
I mean, I would too, but let's just check.
Okay. We're high up. I'm small. But also, I am so mad.
Oh my god, it's totally flat.
Yeah, what? Like, did I get another screw? Ugh. Be prepared for part 2 of trying to change a tire.
Just go back to the same place.
Remember me from a week ago?
About a week ago. What was it like this?
About a week ago.
Oh my god. What if I told you that I didn't know what apartment number it was? This isn't so bad. This is like fine.
Yeah, I had expectations. None of them were met. It's really just a car.
Let's go innovation with engineering and motors and automotive technology.
We're on our way. Woo! Beep beep.
I'm driving cross country. Like if you're driving all the way to like, I don't know.
Virginia.
Yeah. Yeah, did you have a U-Haul in your thing? Or you just drove the 3 of you in that one car?
Yeah.
Like the 2 back seat, and then one where you or Derek were sitting.
Well, I never sat in the back.
Oh.
I sat in the passenger seat, and then my stuff was all in the like foot room.
Uh-huh.
So I was sitting like this the whole time. I didn't really drive much of it just because there wasn't any foot room. No one else wanted to like sit in that spot.
Yeah.
So like I only drove for like 3 hours before I think Abel sat here.
Uh-huh.
And then he was like, I can't.
Yeah.
And I was like, I know it sucks, but it's fine. I'm like, this yoga that I'm doing right now, just... And I would have the dog on my lap because sacrifices.
Yeah.
I was like, give me the dog. I don't care if it's uncomfortable.
Yeah.
She was like sitting on my lap, and then she started crying.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like, you've been cuddled all day. You're wrapped in a blanket. You're fine.
Yeah.
And then she kind of like looked at me and then like went to sleep.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh. But then when it was me and Derek, we were on the road for 24 hours.
Yeah.
Because we were like hanging out and then we left at like 8 p.m. that time.
Oh my god.
That was a lot. But we were like hyper that first day. And then the second half, it's literally just us eating or complaining about eating. Derek got food poisoning or something around afternoon. He was sick, and then after that I drove until 11 a.m. ish the next day. when I got home.
Oh my god. That is like a full 20, almost 24 hours.
It sucked. It was so hard. Everyone in California is sick. And apparently we have volcanoes now. 8 volcanic areas along the San Andreas Fault.
Oh my god. Are there any close to us? Our lives, Jocelyn.
If it happens, what am I gonna do?
Oops, I was supposed to get on the freeway right there.
For years now, California has been bracing for the big one, the magnitude 6.7 or greater earthquake. Within the next 30 years, though, there's a 16% possibility of a small to moderate sized volcanic eruption occurring somewhere in California.
I don't know where, but somewhere. Somewhere in California, there's a volcano. It could erupt any moment in the next 30 years.
An erupting volcano can cause ballistic showers of rocks, fast-moving currents of ash or lava, and acid rain!
Remember chocolate rain? I move away from the mic to breathe. Take my hand.
Take the lead. Oh.
Is it take a breath?
I don't know. So she's sprinkling. Kind of not a great time for this, but you know. Oh, look how green it is, though.
So lush.
The lush. And look, it's me. Hi.
Oh my god.
What? Let me live. Look, they can see themselves too.
Hey, I gotta get over. What do you think GMD stands for?
General Motor Driver Transportation.
Good morning, Donald. Transportation.
Great man, dude. Transportation. Getting. Your turn.
Gary, Martin, and Derek Transportation.
Getting my donuts transportation.
Oh my god. No, getting more transportation.
And demonetized. The fire lane. The no parking.
Yeah, it's fine.
Entering this area can expose you to chemicals known to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. You're putting my reproductive organs in harm.
What reproductive organs?
I know. They're dysfunctional.
Oof.
I cannot believe.
That is so close. All the heavy stuff is completed.
Yay, we
by
just
men stronger than us.
And now they're gone. They had to be back.
He took the wrench.
We'll just chill out in this moving van. Do you like moving? Let me know. What is that sound? Do you hear that?
Hello? Oh. He was like, oh, the wrench. Okay, will you help me carry this up the stair?
Nah.
Here we go! Dong.
Sure.
Getting blown on by the fan. Flintstones coming. We're so dumb. My precious cargo.
Now it's precious.
No, now it's worthless.
What'd you see? He's threatening to turn off my airbag.
Quiet. Let's eat though.
Okay. So Joshua just packed his car and is barely leaving the old apartment. So we have time to food. Hi. Oh.
Not good.
Whoa.
No.
Leave us out here.
Having fun. This pushes you out into traffic.
Oh my god.
What?
I didn't know you let go. Oh my god, run away. This is fast. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Fatality.
After a long day, we're treating ourselves.
We've been treating ourselves all day.
But this is like steak
Yeah.
and rosemary mashed potatoes. What did you get?
The same thing as you. But just with a little sauce.
And this is super good. It's cantaloupe mango
Pineapple.
pineapple. And then yours is
Passion fruit, coconut, and lime.
amazing. And now, what do you have in this bag?
I have a pepperoni, Swiss tête de Moine, traditional single source Emmy.
So fancy for your
I have
charcuterie
a
board.
Genoa, yeah, my charcuterie board.
Please explain what that is.
It is a board with meats and cheese, and probably some like fruit
Peanuts.
and
Or
nuts.
not peanuts, nuts.
Yeah, 20-month-old cheddar,
Oh.
firm Gouda, Pica Bay. It's a Mitica Cordobes.
Oh.
Whole Foods Market exclusive. Manchego, which is like one of my favorite types of cheese.
I just went to the juice bar and got this detox shake juice.
Shake juice. Is it good? I never had like a juice.
It's like grass with a beet.
Ooh. The ginger is like I love a swift kick from ginger. Oh good. But I'm like, ooh. Yum yum.
Some self-love after a day of
Carrying heavy objects.
yeah.
Sort of.
Kind of. For like a second.
And like putting the bed frame together.
Yeah. My camera died, so there's not much footage on that, but we got it together.
It was a event.
It was. We had to FaceTime the maker of the bed frame.
My father.
Yeah. And now we're gonna go back to our old apartment and die.
I'm gonna look at all the things that are still not packed and I'm just gonna be like, huh,
Interesting. All right.
interesting. That's a thing that's here.
Now to go lay on the floor.
Yeah. Take the things that are on top of the mat off the mat. Lay on the mat. This is my home.
So
I'm gonna put it in the one clear space. Your bedroom floor.
hey.
I'm here now. We all share a room tonight.
Yay, sleepover. So that's all for today. Thank you for joining us. Good night.
Wait. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.